Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we are going to do the 172nd flyover of the Lucid factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. So we did do the flyover today. It's been about a week since our last visit, and I'm going to take some additional time today for you guys to do a voiceover. Just wanted to do a recap of what we're seeing, and we've got the earnings call coming out about the same time we're probably going to post this video. Maybe the video is going to be a little bit later. But we're looking for some good news on deliveries and would love some answers on why all these cars are sitting. I don't expect to get that answer, but we'll see what they have to say. Hopefully things are turning around on these deliveries. Maybe they can do some more price reductions. You never know. I did get a text message from Lucid yesterday that my Pure is scheduled for production in a few weeks. So it'll be interesting to see how long it takes from production to delivery. And just kind of curious if there still is a delivery issue. If it's produced and I get it within a couple of days, that would make sense because, I'm 20 miles from the factory. It doesn't need to go that far. You would think that the buyers in Arizona should get a quick delivery because of transport is relatively easy. But if they're still having PDI issues, then that's obviously going to not be a factor as far as the distance. It's going to be the PDI, pre-delivery inspection of the cars. And that's what was blamed a while ago on deliveries taking so long. So by the time you see this, I'm pretty sure that the earnings call will have come out and they will not be announcing reservation numbers anymore. They've already said that. So we're not expecting that. So hopefully we just get a bunch of good things. So in the flyover, we can see the employee parking is packed. So is the construction parking. So still a lot of activity, a lot of people working. The new roads outside of the plant are open with some restrictions, but it looks real good. And it's going to make access to the site much easier, which is always nice. On the construction side, we can see that there's still some walls that need to be installed on the WIP building, and a couple other places need their panels put in also. Most of the work is going on the inside, and we still can't see anything. And it's always going to be that way from now on. In the east parking lot, next to the employee area, the lot is not as full. There are some airs with solid roofs that we can see, and a lot of GTs and Tourings. Further south, we can also see a mix of the models down there. We saw a decent mix, and we also spotted some stealths in that group. So we hope you enjoy this little update, and hope it gives you a little bit more confidence, and maybe it won't because, like I said, this comes out after the earnings call. So we'll see how that goes today. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more content like this in the future. You can follow us on Twitter at Bears Workshop, and thanks to all of our patrons. We do appreciate you guys. Now, let's go fly.